My 85-year-old grandfather taught me a foolproof trick for preparing pork chops. To start, place 4 pork chops on a cutting board. Cover with parchment paper and pound with a meat mallet. Here, I'm doing 2 at a time to make it easier. The result is amazing. You'll be impressed. Transfer the chops to a large container and add enough water to cover. Season with a teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, 2 minced garlic cloves, a teaspoon of paprika, and a teaspoon of oregano. Here, I'll mix to let the seasonings penetrate the meat. Next, I'll add 70 milliliters of milk and continue mixing well. Then let it rest for 15 minutes. In the meantime, slice an onion into medium slices, as this will help give a special flavor to the recipe. Next, add a bit of oil to a frying pan. When the oil is hot, add the chops to fry until golden on one side. Do you like recipes with pork chops? Let me know in the comments. At this point, flip the chops to fry the other side as well. Afterward, add the sliced onions on top. We need to distribute them all over the meat. Cover the frying pan and let cook for 5 minutes. After that time, uncover and flip the chops again, cooking for another 5 minutes. Then, add the seasoned sauce that was marinating the meat to the frying pan and let reduce until the sauce is thicker and more flavorful. Meanwhile, in another container, we'll add half a chopped cabbage and a grated carrot for additional flavor. Quickly, I'll slice half a red bell pepper into thin strips. I'm sure you'll love the final result of this recipe. Now chop some green onion to taste and add it to the container. We will mix all the ingredients well. To season the salad, in another container, mix a tablespoon of olive oil, a bit of oregano, black pepper, a pinch of sugar, and a minced garlic clove. Stir well and add to the vegetable mixture. Mix everything again until the seasonings are well distributed. Now, prepare the special sauce. In a container, mix 100 grams of cream, salt to taste, oregano, black pepper, parsley, and a minced garlic clove. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Look how wonderful our recipe turned out. Don't forget to rate this video from 0 to 10 so I know how much you liked it. I'm excited to see your opinion. Now I'm going to savor this recipe that looks so appetizing. Thank you for watching us until here, until the next recipe, and enjoy your meal.